Amika Vault Color-Lock Shampoo. Give your shade super staying power with this color-preserving shampoo, filled with UV filters and antioxidants. Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask. Deeply condition, hydrate and restore dry hair to its natural vibrancy and health with this replenishing treatment. Amika the Wizard Detangling Primer. Meet the first step in every haircare routine, a weightless, multi-benefit priming spray that detangles, cuts blow-dry time and protects against thermal and environmental damage. Leaves hair smooth, soft and radiant. Top reviews from the United States. Rather thick consistency but love. I will say it is the thickest conditioner I've ever used, so you do not need as much per use, however still love the product and continue to use.